The Verbal Behavior Stimulus Control Ratio equation, or SCoRE, measures a participant's present level of functional language and specifically analyzes stimulus over selectivity. SCoRE quantifies the functional verbal repertoire with a single numeric value and prescribes an individualized intervention plan.
Children with autism spectrum disorder are susceptible to disproportionate stimulus control over their verbal behavior. SCoRE analyzes the extent of this disproportionality and may be used to evaluate other stimulus control discrepancies as well, such as equivalence formations and listener responding.
Demonstrating the procedure will be Mariana de los Santos, a board-certified assistant behavior analyst from our laboratory.
Begin by arranging tact, mand, echoic, and sequelic experimental conditions to establish functional relations between specific environmental variables and the behavior of the speaker. Then, escort the participant into the experimental room and show them to the tact condition area. To assess the tact relation, have the participant engage with toys that are common among young children. At 30-second intervals, point to the item with which the child is currently engaged and ask them to name the object. Tally the total number of items labeled by the participant and consecrate with generalized reinforcement. Then, remove access to that particular item and encourage the participant to engage with another stimulus. Repeat the procedure a total of 10 times to evoke up to 10 different labels from the participant. Next, to assess the mand relation, select any 2 of the 10 target items identified in the tact condition and ask the participant to pick one.